Hello everyone, this is Preeti from the Kriya team, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to use the Kriya dishwash, the Kriya floor cleaner, the Kriya tile cleaner and the Kriya anti-roach oil correctly. Let's start with the Kriya dishwash. The Kriya dishwash, as you know, is a effective natural alternative to synthetic dishwash products. This comes to you in a powder format or a churnam format, and to use the dishwash you need to make a moderately thick paste with the powder and use this paste to scrub your vessels well. Remember, using the powder directly is not going to be economical, and it will also not help activate the herbs together along with the water to give you the most optimal clean. Remember to make only as much paste as you require for every use, because the Kriya dishwash is made up of completely natural herbs, and this can catch fungus if you let it rest for more than a few hours or overnight. Do remember, we also have an alternative Kriya dishwash product that is very suitable for brass and copperware. Now let's talk about the Kriya floor cleaner. The Kriya floor cleaner again is a completely herbal natural alternative made up of 100% whole Ayurvedic herbs which help clean the floors, sanitize them, and also bring in a lot of positive energy into your home because of the inherent properties of the herbs used. To use the floor cleaner, take a teaspoon of the floor cleaner in a bucket, add the water, beat the water well so that the product activates in the water, and then use this as your mop solution for mopping your floor. You can also put the floor cleaner in the pouch and put the pouch into the bucket. This is recommended if you have marble or marbonite tiles which can get easily scratched. For most other normal tiles for cement flooring, you can use the powder directly. Moving on to the Kriya tile cleaner. The Kriya tile cleaner again is a nice natural alternative to clean, sanitize and remove grout and other dirt from your tiles. How do you use this? Make a paste of the powder and scrub your tile with it. We recommend using a natural tile scrubbing brush which is made from coir fibers, because this enhances the cleansing power of the Kriya tile cleaner, and of course it is also more eco-friendly compared to using a plastic brush. We now come to the anti-roach oil that we developed a couple of years ago. This is a great favorite among Kriya customers. It is also made up of 100% whole Ayurvedic natural herbs, and we've processed the oil in the Ayurvedic Tilapaka Vidhi. This is a repellent and it does not kill. It is not a harmful product. It can be stored around children. Of course, make sure that it is kept away from children because it has a very deeply bitter and pungent taste. So to use, we suggest 3 ways of using the roach oil. If you want to ensure that your cupboards don't attract roaches, add a few drops of the roach oil to a cotton ball and leave it in your cupboard. Remember, this is a natural product, so it will be as effective as long as the fragrance lasts. So ensure that you keep replenishing your cotton ball in the cupboard with a few drops of the roach oil every few weeks. In heavy infestation areas like your kitchen and bathroom sinks and grates, add a few drops of the oil neat at night. This will dissuade roaches from entering your home through these entry points. For milder infestations, like for example roaches on your kitchen tiles or on the countertops, add a teaspoon of oil to about 100 ml or 200 ml of water. Shake it well and spray it in these areas before you go to sleep at night. The scents and the herbs in the oil are quite repellent and actually abhorrent to cockroaches. So this will help keep their population low and keep them away from these areas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video that we made on how to use our natural, completely green and sustainable home care products effectively. If you have any questions, do write to us and do explore our website for these products. Please stay subscribed to the Kriya channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.